Welcome to Photio Studio for product photos. Today, we'll try generating backgrounds for your product based on reference images. Here are various reference images. Remember, similar compositions lead to better results with reference images. Log in and click Background Generator and upload your product photo. Photio will remove the original background for you. After removing the background, upload a reference image with the desired background under the Reference tab. Then, click Generate. The result may take around 20 seconds to generate. Click to enlarge and inspect the canvas. To modify the background, go to the Erase and Replace tab, color over the area you want to change, and click Generate to erase it cleanly. Let's resize the image. Go to the Resize tab and adjust the size to your specifications. Various sizes for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, etc. are available. Make the image sharper by selecting either 2x or 4x under the Sharp Image tab on the left. Enjoy the improved sharpness. Adjust brightness or color by clicking on the product or background and using the Adjust option to correct any discrepancies. Ready to download the photo? Choose the desired format, select whether you want a watermark, and then download it. Let's try generating with a mismatched reference to see the difference in the result. For better quality, use a reference with a similar composition to your product, as the size perception may differ between the product and background. Get all the product photos you want from Photio.